Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about if the casinos have opened up yet in Goa. So today is the 16th of October and everybody keeps on asking me if the casinos have opened up in Goa or not. If you're new to my channel, I'm a local Goan. I do videos here in Goa updating you of all the new things that have opened up, what is opened, what is not. So at the moment clubs have opened up, parties are open.
DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ.
If you come to Goa, you do not need a COVID test to come to Goa. Also, if you're booking hotels, make sure to book in advance before coming here, because then you will get the best deals instead of going around and searching for hotels, because it's almost the same price, or you could get it online for even cheaper than coming here. Also, the boating has not opened up yet, but hopefully by next week, by 20th of August or so, the boating should open up. As you can see, the weather is very beautiful. The rains have stopped. It rained for a couple of days in Goa again, but the rains have completely stopped and should stop soon. So guys, let's go out and check out the casinos are open or not. So I've given you a little more information. If you have any questions about other things like besides parties and clubs that have already opened, then you can definitely check out my channel. And also shacks in Arambol and Baga have opened up already and are open up till around 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so you can go to these shacks. Water sports should open very soon. So let's go to one of the casinos and check out if they've opened or not. So guys, we are right now in front of Big Daddy Casino, and I just now went in and asked the people. So the people are inside, but they said that the casinos are not going to open this month. So there is no chance of it opening at least till the 1st of November. So right now at Big Daddy Casino and all the other casinos down this line, I've already gone and checked. None of the casinos have opened as of now. So as they're saying, after the 1st of November they will get an update, so I will update you accordingly. Guys, yes, that is it. If you want to check out more videos, please do check out my channel. I have lots of other videos on Goa, and I will be keeping on updating you guys every week about the casinos and everything. The day the casino opens up, I will give you an update as soon as possible. So definitely do subscribe and check out my other videos, guys. Thank you for watching.